Good day all. We are continuing with our topic, standard form. For the sake of time, I won't explain concepts that were explained in the previous lesson. So today we are doing the addition and subtraction of numbers presented in standard form. You will notice that the easiest way, what I consider the easiest way, is you decompose those numbers that are in standard form back to its original format, do the addition or the subtraction. When you get the answer, then you change it into standard form or express it into standard form. For example, so all those concepts, we covered them in the previous lesson. So we just need to move forward with the addition and subtraction of these standard these numbers that are given in standard form. For example, 3.4 times 10 to the power 3 plus 6.2 times 10 to the power 3. So we now need to express 3.4 times 10 to the power 3 into its original form, which is 3,400 plus 6,200. Then you get your answer as 9,600. Then you can convert it into standard form, which becomes 9.6 times 10 to the power 3. It's as easy as that. So if you did not watch the previous lesson, then you will be confused as to how am I doing this. So I suggest you go to the previous lesson. Now 9.17 times 10 to the power 5 plus 7.45 times 10 to the power 6. Convert that number, you get 917,000 plus 7,450,000. Then you get your answer as 7,541,700. Then you express it in standard form. As to how you do the addition, whether you do use the calculator or you use tables, then it's up to you. I think you know which syllabus you are using. Now for 6.9 times 10 to the power minus 2, it's 0.069 plus 0.005. Then we get our answer as 0.074, which is 7.4 times 10 to the power, which is it's 7.4 times 10 to the power minus 2. And then let's do the subtraction. 8.31 times 10 to the power 3 minus 9.73 times 10 to the power 2. That's 8310 minus 973. Then your answer is 7,337, which is 7.34 times 10 to the power 3. We have to round it off to 3 significant figures. Then 1.1 times 10 to the power minus 3 minus 8.7 times 10 to the power minus 4. That's 0.011 minus 0.0087, which is equals to 0.0023. And express that in standard form. That's 2.3 times 10 to the power minus 4, because there are four zeros in front of 2. You remember from the previous lesson. Otherwise, it's as simple as you can see. So the next lesson, now we will look at the multiplication and division, where we'll just introduce a certain law which is called the law of indices.